Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO P11, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key, and from there select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down. So power right here and volume down right over here. So I'm going to start pressing both of them now that the device is off, and you want to hold both of them till you see the Lenovo logo on the screen, at which point you will let go of the power key but keep holding volume down. So now this hand will just be bracing the device so it doesn't slide around. So it looks like I didn't even need to let go of the power key, it automatically boots into the boot mode. As you can see, this is a little bit weird. I'm gonna flip it over just so you can see what it says here. Now to navigate through this, we will need to use volume keys, which happen to be now completely upside down. So they're not even on the screen, as you can see right here. So if I use them, it cycles through different menu options. So using volume keys either up or down doesn't really matter. You want to select recovery mode. There we go. I know it's barely visible, but it's like right here in red. So once you see it, press power key to confirm it. Oh, it looks like this one is sideways as well. And again, just as before, power keys are used to navigate. And it looks like this is actually volume down. So yeah. So flip it over. From here, using volume keys, you want to select wipe data factory reset. It's a little bit counterintuitive right now because volume up or volume down, yes, goes up, and depending how you look at it. So if you know what I mean, basically by pressing the up volume, or it is technically down, it goes down, right? But it's kind of counterintuitive compared to the position. So anyway, once you cycle through this and find wipe data factory reset, confirm it again with the power key, and then select factory data reset, again select power key to confirm it, and this will begin the process. So it should give you at the bottom a message that formatting or data wipe complete. So reboot system now will be selected by default, and all you need to do is press power key once more to basically initiate the reboot. Now I'm also apologize for the camera focus. It's focusing on the bar that is holding the camera. There we go. Okay, so now that it's rebooting, it's also continuing the process in the background. It will take it a little bit longer for the device to boot back up fully, but once it has, we'll then be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.